Hey everyone. So one of the biggest complaints that women have when they apply their makeup and the after effects is that even though it makes the skin look more flawless and in effect more beautiful, they also feel that it can make them look older. And what I wanted to do with this video is film this in 4K or ultra high definition. And at the end of this, you'll see a before and after of clean skin with no makeup versus makeup. Now here I'm applying concealer underneath the eyes. And I'm using a powder foundation, a mineral foundation. And I'm using this because minerals and powders in general tend to emphasize texture more than liquids and creams. So I really wanted to see how this video would pan. And being completely honest with you, as I was editing this, I was incredibly surprised at the outcome. I thought I would see a lot more texture on the skin, a lot more product buildup. I thought that lines and wrinkles would look way more pronounced than they did. But in fact, while you can definitely see at the end of this that there is a fraction more texture on the skin that has the makeup on, in general, it's really quite faint, and you wouldn't really notice it unless you knew what to look for, or unless you had that visual reminder of how your skin looked prior. Now, even though texture and in effect wrinkles can look a little bit more pronounced, the skin overall looks more beautiful and youthful because it's even, and that's a really big thing here. We're so focused on wrinkles that we forget that even skin is youthful skin. So here's the before and after. So not much difference, right, other than more flawless skin. And as we zoom in, you can see there's barely any difference in texture when I'm smiling, in wrinkles. It's not really catching or anything like that. And this really surprised me. This is why I filmed it in 4K for you, so you could really see it up close. There's a fraction of a difference in terms of texture on the makeup side, but it's not a big deal. It's barely anything. And the skin certainly does look healthier and more flawless. So there you go, a little test to see what things look like. Thanks for watching. See you all soon. Bye-bye.